Hello traders, good evening. So 16th ऑफ मई को हमने यहाँ पर निफ्टी और इन तीनों स्टॉक के कुछ पोजिशनल ट्रेड डिस्कस किए थे, जिसके अंदर स्टेट बैंक था, एक्सिस बैंक और एचडीएफसी बैंक था। और शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए तो टारगेट हमने यहाँ पर डिफाइन किए थे 16 के लो, यानी कि डेट ऑफ 16 दिस डे, इस दिन के जो लो था वो स्टॉप लॉस था क्लोजिंग बेसिस पे। और एक्सिस बैंक का जो टारगेट था वो टारगेट था 678. So at least if I just analyze even this with the closing basis of the price, तो 6% का टारगेट था एक्सिस बैंक पे, जो possibly tomorrow if the market stay bullish or open bullish it will achieved. It will achieve. The next stock is the State Bank of India, and this all trades was given based on the Gann. Okay, the State Bank of India, the 16 May, the low is there. The market is still holding the low, and the SBIN target was around 511. So it's still there here. So 511 is pretty big target for the State Bank of India, and it's all about 10% of the target. So I'd like to stretch the target a little, mainly around 477, or let's plot this target at 477 onwards, because of the time market is taking for the going on the bullish side. So usually this happen, but I plot the target a little big, but I think now it's time to shrink the target a little bit. Okay, because that is the small term look back. Okay, in the HDFC Bank the target was 1580. 1580. Okay, so if you see, even the HDFC Bank, the target is all about 20%. So in the HDFC the target is a little bit on the higher side also, so I would like to reduce the target as well, which I will reducing to the 1377. So let me just quickly understand what is the reason behind the big target and the small target and the reduced target. So sometimes we need to step back ourselves to become, until and unless it is very much necessary. So I'm the same thing I'm happening here. I'm stepping back. You might somehow hear the term that there are few companies who give the targets of the stock and later they reduce it, or this is called the understanding the procedure of the current present situation, and just understand these things logically and make possibilities according to it, because end of the day it's all about making the money from the stock market and not for the ego satisfaction. So that's the reason. और यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें तो 16 मई का जो लो था, on the 16th May low, the market still holds the low. That means कि what target or what analysis we provided that have some little depth. Now, any day if the market closes below this level, we need to exit. You need to understand that. Until we are holding the level, it's still good. So this is how. So I'm giving a very basic introduction of the WD Gann here. that how we use the Gann level and how we find our target, later we reduce the target and so well. So it's a part of the trading. Now if you plot the Gann box here, and if you plot the same Gann box a little here, okay, this is also a Gann box technique. Now I remember I remember this time जहाँ पर we shorted the HDFC based on this level. Later हमने by keep faith on our GAN rule, हमने इस दिन मतलब 1 अप्रैल के दिन शॉर्ट को क्लोज करते हुए, आई मीन शॉर्ट को क्लोज करते हुए हमने लॉन्ग पोजीशंस को took we took the long positions in the double size of quantity, because अगर आप देखें कि मार्केट ने यहाँ पर एक दोजी कैंडल क्रिएट की थी along with the accumulation zone. तो ये accumulation zone बहुत important है, दोजी कैंडल भी important है, और प्रीवियस जो रेजिस्टेंस था उसको तोड़ना भी important था. And the next day we got this. So this is how the things are happened in the stock market. Definitely. Um, Now I missed the cash trade at the time of the HDFC Bank, but somehow I managed it on the NFO, and that goes pretty well. Each and every day we have to learn each and many things to do. Okay. Now that is the something I traded personally, and somehow you have to remember and you have to keep faith in your own judgment. And because in your learning, if you don't have the faith, then the things much may be difficult for you for the upcoming time. So this is how we always need to work. And if I need to calculate the same theory using the Gann box method, in that case I can see like here at this point. So at this day of the 2nd of May, we are about to see the trend change, and we see that trend change. And if we calculate the same on this, in the time, if you see, the market must break above this level, which is the important number of the 11th of May. Also, you can see this number of the 13333 level is also need to be break for going the stock on the upward side direction. So that's the reason I put back my target, and I actually um, shrink the target a little. Okay, so that's it, the reason what I am analyzing currently. And bye for now. Okay.